So on geopolitical tension, the the fall of Assad technically brought in liquidity to yellow metal, where buyers leveraged on the double bottom structure. We can see here already anticipated the price didn't break out from that double bottom on 4 hours, and by close of 4 hours candle got rejected and it set up. We already had this chart on our previous post. So geopolitical tension technically set price on a bullish pedestal. So what does that mean? Price have returned to the buying trend line. You can see the buying trend line. After the breakout from the trend line, price has formed a, a double bottom. And that double bottom, it returns back. So gold buying continues. So for now, don't think of trying to sell gold. The gold sinking RYP is aborted. I mean, this is what trade is all about. This is what trade is all about. So your next potential sell idea will be on this roof where we have, so expect gold into 2764. So this is where I will wait for my next sell for SAU USD. It is what it is. It is what it is. And we have series of fundamental coming in on Thursday, and we have another fundamental this week. So they could possibly continue to push price, and coupled with the geopolitical tension going on in Syria, the fall of Damascus actually brought in liquidity, you know, and you can never tell, but I can tell you authoritatively, this analysis was 100% spot on. After price came here Monday, picked up liquidity from the ascending trend line and formed a W structure. On the W structure, price has broken away from the neckline and returned to buying. So gold has moved. All sell idea for gold is cancelled. This is what trade is all about. So we begin to look for sell of gold at a higher rate. So gold may technically continue to push up, and however, if price breaks down and fall below this level, then you sell. If price breaks and come below this level, then you sell. Then you sell. This time will be an aggressive sell. So I still believe that the Christmas take profit is still on the desk. But however, price may go up to take liquidity. So price going up to take liquidity, it's not something different and it's not something new from what we've known in the market. The market always reacts in a very erratic manner. So you can see price have returned to the bullish part. Look at the ascending trend line where price have had buying potential, buying potential, buying potential, breakout from a support structure, form the W structure. Price has returned to the buying. So what we expect now is for price to continue to trend till we get to this level. So we begin to look for sell opportunity above 2,700. Yes, above 2,776, we'll be looking out for sell opportunity. So as price continues to trend, look for a buy opportunity. Don't be in a hurry to sell. For us to sell, we need to breach this structure. We breach this compressions in a triangle. We need to break down. A breakdown from this structure, we sell. We look for a sell opportunity. Now we break out from the structure. We look for buy opportunity. But we have another opportunity at this level where we have a double top structure, a 4 hour double top structure. I expect price, if price comes to 2,694 into 2,700, I will look for a sell opportunity at that level with the hope to pick either 100 or 150 pip at that level where we seek for intraday correction. So this is what I see. The analysis is correct. The RIP was something far from it. So geopolitical tension and the fall of Damascus brought a very strong change in bias. But however, the sell of gold is still on the desk. I believe that price will continue to upswing. Where I have a potential sell structure will be at the roof, where we look out for resemblance. We have another double top structure here. So another double top structure where we expect price to possibly give us the last RIP for the year. This will be the last zone where we will expect that gold will ultimately rest in peace. It's giving us a whole lot of headache, and we have to we have to admit it that gold is a safe haven asset, it's a top tier asset. So in terms of geopolitical tension, gold sees volatility. People run to gold in order to secure their assets. So this is common and the fall of Damascus was not anticipated by anybody, but there is a serious change in political dynamics in Syria. So that ultimately brought change to how gold is being, dealt with. But there is an ongoing cartel arrangement in United States among the hedge funds. Among the hedge funds, they are planning to sell gold and buy Bitcoin. Yes, the reason is because majority of the enemy of the states have very huge gold acquisition. So the idea is to crash the price of gold and pump Bitcoin. So this is on the desk, and I can tell you it's going to happen. So price might be leveraging on the current geopolitical tension, the overthrow of Assad in Syria. Price is using that opportunity to upswing. It's bringing a lot of liquidity, and I believe that liquidity will will play its part, and we face series of intraday rejection. We have another resistance structure, very strong resistance structure on intraday, where buyers will have to test their potential for uptick. So at this level, we expect price to show us some reasonable rejection at 2,675. I expect a reaction at that level. But if that doesn't happen, 2,675, I expect a reaction at that level, or price might ignore it and come to the week. We have another strong break and retest at 2,687. So at 2087 looks promising, but the ultimate sell on intraday will be a retest of the double top. You can see the double top structure, breaker from the neckline, and that will be in the zone of 2694, where we'll look for a potential sell opportunity. Break and close above this level by 4 hours candle means we are on a bullish pedestal full, where we begin to see price tap into 2768 into 2770 level, where we expect another sell opportunity for SAU USD. This analysis, I can tell you, if you understand market structure, this analysis is 100% right. It's all about taking your profits when you can, because your liquidity is very small, you do not drive the market. So if you are trading and you get 50 pips, we made some money from this trade. So you get that from the trade, and guide yourself properly by setting your break even. Market can always swing, but you can see the structure, the W structure, and we saw it on 15 minutes, and we can't be posting everything, and we leverage on that reversal price action, where price change from bearish price action to bullish price action. The W price action is a reversal price action, where we begin to see price swing, and you can see the last time price swing on the W price action, the W price action price moved to significantly over a 1,000 pip move. And next time price has done the same thing, believe it or not, price is going to swing in a similar manner. It has done another W structure. So this W structure is a reversal price action, double bottom. Price have broken the neckline, retested the neckline. I expect price to move to test the next double top neckline, which was broken. That gave us our current all-time high. So a breakout from here. Here we expect another strong resistance on confluence, where we have an ascending trend line meet a horizontal support structure. At this level, buyers and sellers will have to contest, and liquidity is already exhausted. We're coming to close of the year. Our price action for sale will be in this zone. This is where we begin to see a significant RIP for the yellow metal.